Welcome to Road Warriors, where we explore the most powerful machines on the battlefield. Today, we take a deep dive into the T-80BVM, Russia's modernized main battle tank. This upgraded version of the T-80 brings improved firepower, enhanced protection, and better mobility, making it a formidable force in modern warfare. With its high-speed maneuverability and cutting-edge defensive systems, the T-80BVM remains a key asset in Russia's armored forces. One of the standout features of the T-80BVM is its 1,250 horsepower gas turbine engine, which gives it exceptional acceleration and speed. Unlike diesel-powered tanks, the turbine engine allows for rapid movement and quick repositioning on the battlefield. This makes the T-80BVM ideal for fast-paced assaults, hit-and-run tactics, and rapid response scenarios. With a top speed of 70 km per hour, 43 miles per hour, it is one of the fastest main battle tanks in service today, giving it a tactical edge in combat situations. To enhance its survivability, the T-80BVM is equipped with Relikt explosive reactive armor ERA, a significant upgrade over previous models. This advanced armor is designed to reduce the impact of enemy projectiles, particularly armor-piercing and tandem charge warheads. Additional protection comes from reinforced side skirts and cage armor, which help defend against infantry-launched anti-tank weapons. These upgrades make the T-80BVM more resilient in high-intensity battles. In terms of firepower, the T-80BVM is armed with a 125mm 2A46M4 smoothbore gun, capable of firing a variety of munitions, including armor-piercing, high-explosive, and guided missiles. The upgraded fire control system improves targeting speed and accuracy, allowing the tank to engage enemies more effectively. Its secondary armament includes a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun and a 12.7mm heavy machine gun, providing additional firepower against enemy infantry and light vehicles. Designed for extreme environments, the T-80BVM can operate in freezing Arctic conditions, deserts, and urban battlefields with ease. Its advanced thermal imaging system ensures effective targeting even in low-visibility situations, making it highly effective for night operations. The integration of a digital battlefield management system allows for better coordination with other units, improving situational awareness and strategic effectiveness in modern warfare. With its combination of speed, protection, and firepower, the T-80BVM remains a formidable asset in Russia's military arsenal. Its latest upgrades keep it competitive with modern tanks, ensuring its relevance on the battlefield. Stay tuned to Road Warriors for more in-depth looks at the world's most advanced military machines.